In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12S, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner and tap on one of your photos that you wish to add. You can also select Gallery at the top left corner of Gallery section and click on your photos here. Then to add them, click on Done at the top right corner of this little section at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!